Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. The big loving boom cuz. Let's do it. The big like a boom cuz. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. The big level boom cause she liking my flow. Big being on all bitch called the scope. Beat the bar to ride with me and let bow. I know that bitch like her, she threw up the foe. The roofing on that bitch gon' hit the dough. I'm in the hood with my bro. No slime on the dude, but I still wipe your nose. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bring my twin out the pit, he the real lost star. Used to pull up and shoot up the water. Now I'm shooting the nigga in targets. Let's do it. Hot little boy on that hot boy.
I'm at the Dodge dealership getting an oil change. Way too soon. They got a scat pack up here. Every time I come here, I always remember I bought my car from this same exact spot. But what is this? The 2020. It's like, if I don't see the wide body on the 2020, it don't count for me. But I love the black top. This is a scat pack. Where the Hellcat's at? What's this over here? Yeah, I'm starting to kind of lean towards getting a Challenger. Just for play. But it's like the inside of a Challenger is so small. I like, it's a wide body scat pack right here. And this is why I call it 2020. What size tires is these? These gotta be 305s. Yeah. 305, 3520. I love that hood. Thumbnail. This is a 2021 Daytona. Look, y'all, brand new. I think base price 36. This is everything that comes with it, so it's gonna come up to 42. And y'all can talk them down on that. You don't have to pay that price. Make sure when y'all get these, take these off because it will scratch your bumper. It looks good, but trust me, I had to learn the hard way. Let me skip over all these little boys and try to find some more big boys over here. Cause you know, if the engine don't start with a 6, then don't talk to me. Don't waste my time. All I see is little boys. That's GTs. RT. There's another Daytona over here. It's blue. You can tell that they crunk all these cars too. Right here. This right here is it's a 2021 also. Base price 41 for the total price 57. You might as well buy you a Hellcat. I think these are the little big boys over here. Nope. Here go one. All of them Daytonas though. Only thing I don't like about Daytona is it comes with this. I don't like that. I wonder, can you take it off? These right here got 245s on it. I think that blue one got 275s. 245s. Oh, so I guess this is gonna be the price difference. But that still ain't enough. These Pirellis. Let me see. Yeah, 275s. 275 4020s. It's getting cold out here. I'm getting ready to go grab me something to eat from Waffle House over there. And I'm gonna get back to whatever they got out here. So they're getting some new cars delivered today. Listen, if it's a Hellcat I like on there, I'm trading in Slime. Nah. I just said in the last video that I won't trade in my car. But hey, let the price be right. Let's see what's going on here. This looks kind of like Ian's car, but it would be. I thought he was gonna crank it. I hate them wheels.
How are you?
All right, and you?
Good, good.
Another scat pack. What the hell is that? I'm glad they started putting, well, some of them bigger tires on them instead of them 245. That steering wheel is smooth. They got the suede seats. Gotta have the sunroof. These 275, but they poke out like they bigger. Steering wheel, yo. That suede steering wheel. Suede and leather seats. It's like this middle piece right here. It makes the car feel small. It's like, you know, you limit it to so much space because all of that is just straight blocked off. I ain't got no kids in that, so I ain't got to worry about back seat space. But like I said, I'm kind of leaning towards getting the Challenger as a second car. I love the way that stance is. And that's crazy. These are 275 40s. They ain't got nothing special going on. Besides my car being here, that's it. I'm about to head back down to the waiting room. Hopefully they about done with this line.
I'm about to show you how it's done.
Show us how to do it.
They do it. They do it. They do it. They do it. They do it. They do it.
Oh, why? Hey, watch out. Yeah.
Put the bow on the T, now we're rocking the buddy. Been jogging the boys, man, cause it was thugging. Pressing the issue, this shit can get ugly. Hit the boat with the young, got them holding the stomach. Out through the hood with the blick on me. Say, hold boom, don't put the dick on me. I'ma walk through the hood like I'm rich on me. Get the fucking the bitch with my stick on me. I'm high as a bill like I'm Marley. And that bitch think fuck said Barbie. Get the pop when I see I'm a spark. I got up in this bitch and get me out the party. I'm high as a bill like I'm Marley. And that bitch think fuck said Barbie. Get the pop when I see I'm a spark. I got up in this bitch and get me out the party. Kiss me on the block, bitch, I'm cream. Go pick up the money like church with a dick. We shoot up your shit for no reason. I know if we fight one-on-one, bitch, your shit gon' be leaking. I am a big bitch, I just type of this.